Hi friends! Ever wondered how professional translators manage to work so quickly and consistently? Well, today we are diving into the world of translation technology to explore a game-changing tool, translation memory. In the next few minutes, what we'll cover, we'll break down on screen. What is a translation memory? Imagine you are a translator working on a massive document. Wouldn't it be great if you could remember every sentence you've ever translated and instantly reuse that knowledge? Well, that's essentially what a translation memory does. A translation memory is like a super smart digital notebook that stores previously translated content for future use. It's not just a glorified copy-paste tool. This intelligent system breaks down text into smaller units called segments, usually sentences or phrases, and remembers how each segment was translated. Pretty cool, right? Now, why should you care about translation memory? Here are some killer advantages. How translation memory works. Let's break down the magic behind the scenes. It's like having a tireless assistant that remembers everything and whispers helpful suggestions in your ear. So, where might you see translation memory at work? Here are some common use cases. Translation memory, the unsung hero of the translation world. It's making translations faster, more consistent, and more affordable.